sing a song called Teardrops on My Guitar by Taylor Swift.
My name is Pahua.
My name is Chantal.
My name is Song Tao. So we're gonna start. If you don't like it, it's okay.
Drew looks at me. I fake a smile so he won't see what I want and I'm needing. Everything that we should be. I bet she's beautiful, that girl he talks about, and she's got everything that I have to live without. Drew talks to me. I laugh, but it's just so funny that I can't even see anyone when he's with me. He said he's so in love, he's finally got it right. I wonder if he knows that's all I think about at night. He's the reason for the teardrops on my guitar, the only thing that keeps me wishing on a wishing star. He's a song in the car, I keep singing, you know what I do. Drew walks by me. Can he tell that I can't breathe? And